right, round two. Now we're walking into. Yep.
Great day.
Yep.
That's the grocery store.
Oh, okay.
I was just planning.
Yeah, the grocery we've gone before.
It's really crowded in there.
Yeah, real crowded in
Might
there.
be an Asian one.
Yep. It's kind of too bad. But you got to have the money and want to spend the money, billionaire, instead of sitting on and doing F1 races and stuff. Build a really good hurricane-proof, solid as hell.
That was right here. I remember the green.
Yep.
The green
Yep.
piston.
It was all green, but right here. Yeah, if you paid the locals to bring your garbage by weight, they'd clean this place up. You have a recycling area and go bring me your garbage in. We'll pay you by weight. Clean it up. Little bay, it goes from bay to bay. So it took 12 minutes from the gate. It took 12 minutes to get from the gate to here, to there. You got turtles and stuff in there. It's just too bad. Love to buy that building. Right by it. And you got over there, you've got a cemetery. That's a big ass cemetery. No idea which one that is, but I've seen it before. We're gonna see if, when I'm walking up here, we're gonna see if my Speculation Sports sticker has been on there for 6 years. We'll see. But it's a nice walk. You've got your nude beach to your left there. What's that nude beach called again? Orient Beach. Here's our family we see all the time over here. They're always grilling out. Usually they are. Yeah, the Great Bay Market. But you buy that space and you employ locals to work at your hotel, pay them well. What the hell, huh? Yeah, it's fun to walk in. The nude beach is to your left. It's beautiful. I mean, to your left, but you take a left to go to it. Oh, I wouldn't rent a car here. Hell no. Not a chance. Another cemetery over here.
You drive like a freaking maniac.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a cemetery over there.
Bad enough when we rent the dune buggy.
Right.
Driving in the traffic.
Correct. Trying to find a place to park.
Yep.
Unless you're a TV, but there it is. That's a there's another little resort right here. Blue Gates. The Great Beach House. Seen that before? So when this comes out in September, you'll be able to go here, and it's a lot of fun. Good food, good people, good times. Damn right.
Rum and reggae.
Yep.
That's go hand in hand.
Yep. 2023. It's new.
Oh. Oh, look at that sign. I wish I could stay here forever. I like the step up here.
Yep.
Cool.
Oh, you gotta be careful there. That tree probably came down from there. So Front Street is kind of, this is the other end of Front Street. So.
The not so good end.
Yeah, I know. That's exactly what it said.
I don't like walking here when it's dark.
Right.
I don't like it at all.
Nope. Of course, you gotta have McDonald's. Little shack right there. Empty lot for someone to buy. Put a place in here. Yeah, it's kind of, when you get down in here, I mean, it's not too bad, but if you live down here, a lot of places got drilled by the hurricane and everything else. King Lottery. All kind of boarded up. For sale. Right. You can buy it and make it your own shack. Needs a little upkeep. Yeah. Morning. Morning. Yep. Now we're kind of getting towards the somewhat the better of the spot up here. Oh, goodness. Wind feels good. What is that, 85 today? Little flowers. Little four-wheeler. Whew. Do you like their colors here? Yep.
I like this place.
Yeah, this is nice.
Water.
Yep. There you go. Yep, kind of cool. A little bit. Turn. That's kind of cool. So, get a little, go in there and get cooled off. You can kind of see some stuff has been fixed up, and some have not. You can probably get hold of a realtor. Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, right. Well, it's cement. You can probably gut it. It's a solid cement. Oh. No, I don't understand. But people are gonna tear it down when they buys it. Right. Little supermarket right over there. So I think that building got torn down. I had to stick around. So. But,
I have one like this.
oh, do you?
I brought it if we go when we go to the beach and stuff.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Another boarded up
I like
building.
how we spent when we were here last time, the last day. We were just
Yeah.
at the pool,
Yep.
hanging out.
Yep. All right, guys. All right. See you next one.